Hi, this is Dr. Sam Speron, a board-certified plastic surgeon in the Chicago area. Here's why you should pick Dr. Speron's natural scar support. I'm going to start off here by saying that most people might think I'm biased, but I'm really not. As a scientist, I simply try to look at facts and facts alone. I developed my scar product over the last 20 plus years, and I kept tweaking the formula, making it better and better and better. Anytime there was a major advance, I would include that ingredient or product into my unique formulation. I still don't consider it a finished product actually. We still have many things in our R&D department that we're still trying to add to this powerful blend. I think if you look at all the scar products available on the market today, there's really just no comparison. Again, I put everything I could think of that's good for scars in this all natural cream. Silicone, oxygen, probiotics, hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. No one else has anything like this. You can use it at home, which means you don't need to go to a doctor's office to get it. On the website, you're also going to find so many before and after patient pictures in different parts of the body, video testimonials, more so than any other scar product out there. And if you have any questions, our medical estheticians are available 7 days a week to help you out virtually for free. If you or a loved one has a scar, please check it out. You won't regret it, I promise. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please like and subscribe below, and I hope you have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the month.